I did notice a second ago when we ran the other one that the date did not fill up for us on this day and date, and I was just going to fix it myself and not say anything, but I thought, well, I better go ahead and tell you guys about that because I do want to do it. Anyway, if you recall, we had this a tab control, and I think I did go ahead and add the code up here in the load, and I'm going to copy that. I'm going to leave it there. It's not going to hurt anything to keep it there. I'll go ahead and find this tab control. Alrighty, it's 8 something was a line number. A lot of people don't like line numbers. I know, like in my class, my husband's the one teaching it, and he says, turn line numbers off, but I like them. Ready? And let's see if we can find this. There it is. Okay, so we've got this tab control here, and I want to add some more controls. I'm going to go ahead and, just so that I don't lose it, I'm going to go ahead and paste this, just so I don't, and so we're going to copy this if statement, because I'm going to say, well, we're going to check for tab, we're going to check for tab 1, and then that's the first screen because people can go back and forth. Copy. And then we're going to check for tab 2. I didn't read the names. I hope these names are okay. Anyway, let's see if this is going to save for us. Now, we've got tab 5. So for the one box, copy. Here's today. Paste. It's looking like it doesn't like that today, but anyway, we'll go up the top and figure out, copy what's going on there. We'll probably have to create that variable. Copy, copy, copy. Uh-oh. It probably wasn't a global paste. We'll probably have to recreate it here. Paste. Cut. Alrighty. Now that is not in compile because we got. So let's go back up here at the top. Let's see. What did we do it today? Oh, we created one. So we're just going to create that again. It's not going to hurt anything. Copy to redo it. And like you say, well, why do you do it on the load? That's redundant work. Well, actually, on the load, it defaults to the first screen, but then they can go back and forth and back and forth, and it might be several days before they would use. So you would definitely want it to collect the current date and not the start date. I know, like our time clock, it's not a home menu like this. Well, it's on a menu, but it's just it just goes, unless there's some kind of reason for weeks of time without being shut off. Unless like someone wants to use that particular PC for something else, because we've got some that's devoted strictly to people logging in, but sometimes they don't want to use a certain printer that's close by and they can use it if they want to, but actually it's not anyone's PC. Now, okay, so we got the date there. Let's see if we got the date on the second screen. Yay, it did it again. Okay, so that's the end of this video. I'll see you in a couple of weeks. Bye.